You may have heard talk recently about silica as a respiratory hazard in workplaces. Silica tends to be an issue when we're working with masonry products, such as rock or bricks or pavers, doing activities like cutting or crushing or sanding or drilling those products. We're often asked, what are the options for respiratory protection when we're doing work where silica may be present? There's a couple of kits that are particularly popular at the moment. We'll have a look at them. This one here is the 3M 7535 P2P3 Asbestos, Silica and Dust Respirator Kit. The respirator that's in the kit is this one. It's what we call a half face respirator. That one's a silicone face piece, so it's very soft on the skin if it needs to be worn for extended periods of time, and it achieves an excellent face seal. The filter that's there is the 3M 6035 P2P3 Particulate Filter. Around the corner, if you're needing full face respiratory protection, this kit here is worth a look at. That's the 3M 6835 P3 Asbestos, Silica and Dust Respirator Kit. This is the respirator. It's what we call a full face respirator. So it covers the nose, the mouth and the eyes. So there's an outer seal right around the edge of the face. You achieve an excellent face seal on a full face respirator. It tends to have a better protection factor, largely because it's got that additional seal around the edge of the face, which is not as contoured as maybe the nose bridge, where a half face respirator might leak a bit more than a full face mask. It's the same filter that's on that kit as the first kit, so it's the 6035. We can call this a P3 filter now rather than a P2P3. Because of the protection factor on the full face respirator, that same filter is referred to as a P3, which is a higher level of protection against fine particulates. Speak with the crew at your local SafetyQuip branch for further information on respiratory protection against silica or other contaminants at work.